ready for primer. And oh, I love this primer when I'm painting with black. Benjamin Moore Aqua Lock. That is one coat of primer. One coat. You can see some spots here where it's just a lot deeper, the grain, and it's just from sanding and going through some of the finish. So I've mixed up some of this drywall compound, sheetrock 20, and some of my black primer. So I've put some of it on the top of the nightstand here, and I'm using this large brush, inexpensive brush, to get into those spots where you could see some extra grain coming through because it's sanded through a little bit more. And I'm getting it everywhere. Trying not to get it on anything other than the very tops because I don't need it anywhere else. And even though it's only some spots that need it the most, just to get a nice even finish and fill all of the grain, I'm doing it everywhere. So I'll do this on both. It's already drying, as you can see. So once that's dry, I'll come back and sand it and show you how it looks. Okay, so I've now got another coat of primer on here, and we'll see how that looks once it's dry. So I've been asked or told that it's surprising how smooth my finish is when I don't use a sprayer and I use a roller. So I'm going to show you my technique. I've gone around the edges here with a paintbrush. Now I'm going in with my roller. So I don't worry too much about getting it on. Just try to get it all covered. And I usually am able to do it just with one dip into the paint, I guess I'd say. And now what I do is I go back over the entire thing with the end of the roller that could drip paint to the far edge and just roll back over everything.